Welcome back to Best RV Channels. This is Niall from Best RV in Turlock, California. We brought you today
Coachmen
the best deal.
210QS
Is on a Ford chassis, as you notice, and it's the E350 chassis. Also, if you notice, we're putting a price on this unit because this price is limited offer. We have only 4 units in stock, and when they gone, I cannot get that special. It's on a Ford chassis, 210. It's a nice corner bed in the back with a corner bath. Motorhome, brand new on a Ford chassis, loaded for $75.99. If we come this way, I'm going to show you some features. So it has the extended mirrors on this Ford chassis. Has running board. Some manufacturer they remove this running board to cut the price. The Coachmen they provided to you. It has a nice, a beautiful power awning as you see here with LED light. And we have a huge basement storage, and that's what I want to emphasize. And I want to open it to you to prove for you, so you could see how big this storage place over here. I mean, really, I could sit in the storage, and it has different bins. As you see, there's a bin over there, a bin over here, and another bin, and all these compartment bins, they're washable. I could rinse them and drain them, and there's more storage here. This storage, as you see, it's accessible from both sides. I could access it from this side as well from the back. I could access all these bins and all these storage. This unit, as you see out in the back, typical Class C motorhome, the Coachman provided to us. It has a rear view camera, has a leopard expandable ladder prep, and as I said, it has a Class 3 hitch up to 6,500 pound. This motorhome is perfect if you want to pull a boat behind you, because it's not too big, it's not too long, you don't have the swaying. It's a perfect for towing a boat, and it comes with all the plug as well the hitch. As you see in this side, there's no slide, but people love that is they have no mechanical issues, no problem. As usual, we have endless uh, here's endless hot water heater. So on demand hot water heater endless. All the hookup for the city water connections, cables, sandy flush. And then over here we have a beautiful the Yamaha inverter technology generators powered by Yamaha, and it's perfect to run everything on this unit from AC, TV, everything in this unit while you're driving as well when you're parked. So this is the beautiful E350 chassis. Very important, please emphasize, folks, when you compare a price and features, you need to look at this. This is a big deal. It's on a Ford E350 chassis, Super Duty. Yes, as you see when you walk in, we have a beautiful U-shaped dinette in front of us. Now you're gonna say, Niall, how come this is U-shaped dinette? All I see just like half the U, but in reality, this unit, what I like about it, it's easy to get in the dinette, and I could sit in every size I want. I could go this way, that way, facing my kitchens, and also it's easy for tall people. The seat is not gonna bounce against the solid U-shaped dinette. But this one, it is U-shaped dinette, and the way how you do it, if you come this way, there's a solid step or seat. You pull it out. You take this cushions, as you see here, and you put that cushion, and now I have a beautiful U-shaped dinette where I could sit multiple people around the dinette. This feature is allowing you to seat more people, so I could sit one here, one there, couple in there, and enjoy the nice table. Coachmen, I like about them Class C's is they have two solid steps bars with a solid table. Look how thick it is, and it gives you more options where you have a nice shaded window, a big window behind your dinette, and it is nice, easy, clean material. So if you are wet, came in from the beach, and you sit on those one, you're not gonna ruin it, and you're not gonna make a stain. Easy to clean. There's a cup holder on that corner, so if I'm sitting here laying down, I could have my drink, and I could face the TV because the TV is on a swing arm and it will be facing me. Also, if I sit here while my wife driving the Class C motorhome or somebody driving, I could enjoy this table playing cards while we are on the road. If I need more room to walk around the dinette, all I have to do, just take these cushions out. As you see, if you give me a chance, put the cushion in the back or on the top, whatever position you want it. And then I could slide this doors inside, and voila. As you see, I have more room to walk, more room to get in. And if just me and the wife, and I don't have a bunch of kids, it's perfect. It's a perfect unit for a couple people. Also, it's a perfect unit. You could sleep up to 5 people. As you see, there's a bed on the top and bed in the back. Facing the dinette is easy to get in. As you see, it has very big cabinet doors with shelf and lip. As you see, nice, a hood with light and fan. And then we have a nice 3-burner range with electric start. And then we have a microwave right here. Nice stainless steel sink. Place for trash cans. Doors for cooking pans and wherever you want to put on it. Come with it. As well, it come with the 10.7 cubic foot reefer. Fridge and freezer run of the 12-volt system. And as you see, it's very roomy, easy to do. So I could, cooking, prepping, and I could serve the food with no problem. As well, over the dinette, I have two big, all the dinette is the storage with shocks, as you see. Very easy to get in, and it has light. So this is covering the dinette and the kitchen. Now we're going to covering the bedroom. As you see, this is a solid corner bed, very roomy. I can lay down over here. They have a TV hookup in the corner, so I could put a TV in that corner if I want to add additional TV. All this corner has a storage with shocks, as you see right here. Closet in my bedroom. All this is hanging clothes. I have doors for socks, underwears, and whatever I want to store. Whole bathroom is very roomy. I have a nice mirrors with a sink, hot and cold, a vanity for my chemicals and whatever I want to put, shampoos. You have a big toilet, paper towels, again place for towels or paper towels. And then we have a nice big standing showers, no issue for height, with a solid leather curtains, so we make sure the water does not. And then we have the shower, hot and cold, easy to get in. There's no big step. As you see, this is a big deal. There's no step between the floor. A little bit more shallow, so easy to get in. There's a place I could put my towels here. I have a vents with lights, with the switch, with fan. I could turn it on, and you could see the amenities, and this is complete. After we covering the dinette, the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, and we're gonna cover up the cap over. The cap over is very nice, and as you see, it's very easy. Come with this piece, which is to give you a big bed, sleep 2 people, and it has up to 800-pound capacity over here. I have a TV on arm, so if I release this arm tensions, I could swing this TV to the dinette, or I could watch the TV from the upper bunk. There's a USB plug in that corner if you show them, and USB plug in this corner. So in case if they sleep that way, they could charge their cell phone, or if they sleep that way, they could charge their phone, or if they have a smart device, they want to hook it up to this smart TV, they can. And there's the vents over the bed with no problem. More storage here for remote controls or maps or books. This one has the Wi-Fi antenna. As you see, the 5G Wi-Fi antenna is on top with the TV antenna. So this unit is come complete. Now I want to emphasize one thing on this unit, because a lot of people they're missing one major thing about this unit. This unit, for the price what we offering, you could shop as much you want. You could go to New York, Florida, Indiana, California. No one could match that price because we bought them on a special deal and we pass all that saving to you. The most important thing when you compare this 210QSS, this unit at Best RV at $75.99 is coming on a Ford chassis, E350. Very important. This is on a Ford chassis. So 210QSS from Best RV at $75.99 on a Ford chassis. So if you turn this chassis for you, come with also the key fob for the entry doors, and come with the 2-key set. It has airbag, cruise control, and as you see, it's loaded. Airbag, cruise control, power window, power doors, and then the stereo system on this one has the rear backup. So if you notice, I'm gonna put reverse to prove for you. So if you notice, I'm putting reverse. So it has rear backup camera, come with it, smart stereo system. So it has the CarPlay for Apple and Android. Has all different USB chargers, 110 plug. So if you have a small laptop, you could plug it in here and work on your laptop. Typical for brand new 2025 for $75.99. We assure you, we shop, we sit 8 hours a day on the web to prove for you no one could even come close to that price, and no hidden fees. That's a big deal. No hidden fees. So $75.99 plus tax and license, no any hidden fees, no destination fees, no dealer prep fees, no junk fees, no get ready package fees. Ready to take it right now. Put a D and start go camping with this motorhome for $75.99 from Best RV. Coming in, we have limited only offer, only 4 in stock, and after those gone, I cannot get that price anymore. Coming in.